It's another busy morning at the office. The reception desk? Stress-free. Why? Because VISTA has got it covered. Meet Rohan. He's here for a client meeting. No long queues, no logbooks, just a quick scan of his pre-registered QR code. With VISTA, that time is slashed to under 3 seconds. No wasted hours, just seamless access. Less than 0.3 seconds and he's in. If you were a walk-in, a simple OTP verification would do the trick. The answer's obvious, right? Speed matters. His host, Mira, gets an instant notification. A single tap, and she approves the visit. No back-and-forth calls. No missed calls. No confusion. Just smart approvals. Rohan heads straight to the meeting. No unauthorized access, no confusion, just a secure, streamlined experience. This isn't just about convenience. It's about keeping your premises secure. Once the meeting is done, VISTA automatically logs his exit. No manual tracking. No extra work. Smart, right? Why waste time when automation can do it for you? VISTA isn't just a visitor management system, it's a game changer. Upgrade now and make every second count.